So today, you learn how to change the language for specific apps on your OnePlus 13. So by default, the language for those apps are in English or your system language. So if your system language is in Spanish or in French, then that is what the app language will be. But if you want to customize it, so for example, you want to customize Chrome so that the language switches from your system default to something completely different, then this is how you do it. So the first step is to open the Settings app. And once you've launched Settings, you want to scroll and tap on System and Updates. Then from here, you want to select App Languages. From here, you should see a list of all apps which you can customize the language for. So you have Google apps such as Calendar and Chrome. And you can see it says System Default next to all of those supported apps. So it says system default, and because my system default is English, then that specific app is in English. So if you want to change it, just tap on that option like this, and then you should see a list of app languages you can use. You can always choose to use the search function if you don't want to scroll through the whole list. So let me scroll through the list and look for the language that I wanted to use. So for example, let me select Italian. I would simply tap on it like this, and now Chrome should be in Italian. So when I go to launch Chrome, you can see it's already switched to Italian. If it hasn't, just close and then reload the app. You can always go back and choose something different. So for example, Spanish. When I tap on it like this, I can go back, launch that specific app, and you can see it's already switched. So it's completely up to you to decide which app you want to customize and which languages you're going to be using for that specific app. If you want to switch back to the default, then all you want to do is simply just tap on that app, and then at the very top, you should see this system default option. Simply select it like that, and then the app language will switch back to the system default for that specific app. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.